Steps to use wireless NVR kit. First of all, please place all devices properly. Then connect a mouse, display, and a network cable to NVR in turn. At last, please connect power supply. After powering on, the NVR and the cameras will make auto pair. Please log into the system, then NVR wizard will show basic settings. Next, about hard disk management, the hard disk has to be formatted for first use. As for network configuration, the default is DHCP. If the NVR network is abnormal, please check here. QR code network configuration. If the QR code doesn't show, please check the last step. Finally, open the Tuya app on the phone and scan the QR code on the right to configure network. If your phone doesn't have Tuya app, please enter into App Store or scan the QR code on the left to download. After successful configuration, choose the channel to check preview and recording image. Or you can view on multiple screens.